we can appreciate and we can salute and we can pray and we can laud our own language. But even the mother Tamil won't allow degrading the other languages. Actually, in Tamil Nadu, in Tamil Sangam itself, Siva dance for both Tamil and Sanskrit. So we always give equal importance. So it's not meant that if you appreciate another language, it is degrading our mother language. My mother language, Tamil, is with broad-mindedness, and it is a language which is lauded by even the people who are talking other languages. As our Honorable Prime Minister always say, I love Tamil, I love to read Tamil because it is a language which is lauded by each and everyone. Even Bharatiyar learned 18 languages. Even Kumara Kurubarar, who was a strong Tamil saint, he went to North India and he learned a northern language and then he spread the Tamil language there. So even to take the pride of Tamil language to other places, we have to appreciate the other languages. So again and again, Udayanidhi, I strongly condemn him. Sanatan Dharma, he insulted, and then now he is insulting the language, particularly used in our sanctity, in our all our prayers. And though nobody is telling don't pray with Tamil, we are giving equal importance. And wherever Tamil is used, Tamil language is a broad-minded Tamil, and our mother tongue says that you have to appreciate other languages also. All our leaders, as I said, Bharatiyar learned 18 languages. So it is highly condemnable. And he has to take back his words, whether it is other language or it is Sanatan Dharma. He thinks that he can make him very popular by all these things. Don't hurt other things.
Meanwhile, TVK's election campaign request was again denied by the Salem Police Department, quoting the other Padhakapu stations. What's your opinion on that?
No, again and again, all the opposition parties are always omitted, insulted, and they are ignored by even whenever BJP asks some permission. They are ignoring it. But all the ruling parties, whether it's allies partners and their partner, they are getting all the appreciations and they are giving all the permissions and protection, everything they are getting. So the biased activity of the state government is revealed clearly, and whichever the political party, they have to give protection because it's an election year, and then hardly 4 months are there, and each and every party will plan it. So already there were incidences that we have to be more careful. They have to depute more personnel, police personnel, it should be protected. So they cannot deny the propaganda of any leader.